all the time. Shenzhen Sunzone Electrical Appliances Limited has been making constant improvement to keep pace with economic and technological progress of the times. Shenzhen Sunzone Electrical Appliances Limited, a subsidiary of Jinke Group, was founded in 1994 and covers an area of 18,000 square meters. It is devoted to the R&D, design, production, and marketing of heater, air cooling fan, and other home appliances. A manufacturer of both original design and equipment, it will meet varying demands of clients through customized services. A subsidiary of Chinese Academy of Sciences, Jinke Special Materials Group was founded in 1987 and currently holds lots of subsidiary companies devoted to the R&D and manufacturing of ceramic PTC, polymer PTC, and other new functional materials. It comes as a strong technical supporter to Sunzone. Certified by ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, Sunzone carries out BSCI audit on a yearly basis. Its products have passed CCC, ETL, CETL, GS, CE, and other certifications. Besides, it's a winner of a number of patents. The 18,000 square meter workshops are equipped with 5 well-established semi-automatic production lines with a monthly production capacity of 200,000 units. The 29 sets of professional injection molding machines with max tonnage of 600 tons. And the professional iron net stamping machines assure product delivery to customers as scheduled. Scientific and standard quality management systems have been established. There is professional inspection equipment intended for IQC inspection of incoming materials, 100% line inspection of finished products, and strict sampling before delivery. The life test, high pot test, drop test, and noise test have assured high quality for customers. Keeping in long-term partnership with lots of world-famous brands in the world, so far Sunzone has had its products exported to the USA, Japan, South Korea, the UK, Australia, South Africa, the Middle East, European Union, and other regions across the world. Its products are enjoying a wide popularity among Lowe's, Walmart, Target, and other shopping malls throughout the world. At present, Sunzone is working with DeLonghi, Honeywell, and EWT on OEM-oriented manufacturing of PTC heater series. With original design philosophies, strict and scientific management, advanced technologies, considerate after-sales services, and good business reputation, Sunzone has been trying its utmost efforts over the past 26 years to satisfy customers with professional products, good technical supports, and most effective solutions. We are creative. We highly value customer demands. We mind even the most unnoticeable details. We prioritize quality. We'll be more than happy to work hand in hand with you for a mutual bright future.